But when it came to trying to help my family, yun ang parang nag-push talaga sa akin na I need to earn kasi mahal magkasakit. No matter kung gaano kadami yung naipon mo or kung malaki yung pamilya mo. Kapag nagkasakit ka, everything happens. So anything with health is very, very important to me. Janine Gutierrez, engaged na kay Jericho Rosales. Kasal na raw ang kasunod. Nakakaloka. Kumakalat ang chikang engaged na raw ang kapamilya actress na si Janine Gutierrez sa kanyang boyfriend na si Jericho Rosales. Kumalat kasi sa social media ang litrato at video ng mga paraw o sailboat sa Boracay noong araw ng kagitingan, kung saan mababasa ang mga katagang Janine Gutierrez said yes. 10 orange na paraw ang naglayag sa nasabing isla upang gunitain ang katapakan at lakas na kailangan para i-prioritize ang kalusugan ng isang tao. Karamihan sa nabasan comment ng netizens, baka raw nag-propose na si Echo kay Janine kaya naman puro congratulations ang reaksyon ng kanilang mga fans. Kaya, eto ang kompletong kuda ni Janine. Pati si Echo nagulat. Okay, ito Wala siyang kamalay-malay na siya na yung napagbintangan sa mga paraw sa Boracay. But I really love the campaign that it's a reminder na before you say yes to anything else, say yes to health. I don't talk about this a lot. Pero actually, one of the reasons kung bakit ako nag-artista was so that I could earn because my second mom, yung yaya ko since birth. She got cancer when I was in school. Siyempre, nakita ko yung hirap ng bukod sa physical struggles, yung babayaran mo. Nakita ko kung paano siya naglakad sa kung anong agencies to ask for financial help and support. At first, when I was younger, ayoko talagang mag-artista kasi nahihiya ako. Malayo talaga siya sa isip ko. But when it came to trying to help my family, yun ang parang nag-push talaga sa akin na I need to earn kasi mahal magkasakit. No matter kung gaano kadami yung naipon mo or kung malaki yung pamilya mo. Kapag nagkasakit ka, everything happens. So anything with health is very, very important to me. Janine Marie Elizabeth De Leon Gutierrez is a Filipino actress and video blogger. In 2020, she won the Best Actress Award at the 68th FAMAS Award and 43rd Gawad Urian Awards for her role in Babae at Baril. In 2021, Gutierrez was recognized with the Rising Star Awards at the 20th New York Asian Film Festival. Ipinanganak noong October 2, 1989 sa Quezon City.